Retro.
My YouTube channel. Make sure if you're new, like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And if you're not new, you already know what to do. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be interlocking. I always had this problem with my locks, especially the ones on the side. It's like just all this hair just always just like never fully really, you know what I'm saying. So go be interlocking it. See if my hair can go through this. Nope, my hair not gonna be going through that. So I'm gonna have to use my handy dandy potion. Tighten this bad boy up, cause it just don't be like. I'm gonna do it with my fingers first. I'm gonna do it with my fingers first. Get it down. We're gonna go to the side. And we're gonna carry it through the top. And we're gonna carry it through the back side. As you see now, I done got a little tighter. It ain't as puffy like it was. I'm gonna do it one more time.
Check it out.
I think that's all I'm gonna do. I am gonna leave a little hair out because I like to do my edges. So right there. So yeah, as you can see.
Check it out.
See there? How that thing lay. I'm gonna do this side. I think I'm gonna do this side too. It's a big difference. But yeah. Yeah, that's enough. So I'm gonna do this side as well. The part more. So I went on ahead and did my whole front row. So I did this one, this one, this one, that one, that one, and this one. So yeah, I interlocked my whole front row. As you can tell, this is the way that hair was looking before. So yeah, lock my whole front row. And I look a little better, feel a little better. Cause I do not be liking all that hair. And a couple days later, your edge is looking like poop daddy. You're not going for that. But yeah, that's me interlocking the first row of my hair. Smoothing out my locks. But yeah, that's it. If y'all want to see more, just leave a comment down below of what y'all want to see, whether it's styles or techniques or whatever. But yeah, thank y'all for watching my video. Thank y'all for staying to the end. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. It would help my channel out so bad. Make sure y'all do that. And I'll be back with y'all with another video.